Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So let's get into it. First of all, open Google Chrome. Download and install Internet Download Manager. Once the download is complete, double-click the setup file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installing IDM, you need to enable its integration with Google Chrome. To do this, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Click on More Tools, and then select Extensions tab. Then press Details option for IDM extension. Then check that IDM Integration Module extension is enabled. You need to allow extension to read data on all sites. If you use incognito mode in Chrome, you need to enable Allow in Incognito. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.